City girls make them wish like Ray J. Let me talk to her. All these niggas wanna fuck JT. Hey, dude. Hellcat, this a SRT. Pull up G-Wax, he's 3. Make a 55 suck they teeth. He wanna menage with a new body. Man, you niggas can't fuck with me, cause I came from the bottom, from the...
I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me. Papa. I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you
fucking beat demolished when I snap, it's fucking game.
Stop. What the hell are you talking about? Get my pretty name out of your mouth. We are not the same.
I think it's funny when men are like, oh, I could never date a girl that wears too much makeup. You do realize that blank canvases at Michael's are like $30, but when they're actually painted on, they can go for millions. It's the same shit, baby. I'm a fucking Picasso.
Tap, tap, tap.
I'm with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us.
My makeup first thing is lashes. I'll need them again. Step 2, cleanser. This moment I always try to get the best possible. And then a damp towel. Wipe it all away. I go over eye makeup first, make sure it's all over. Put on some white oil and hyaluronic acid, and then I'm ready to go.
Like, I hate wasted potential. That shit crushes your spirit. It really does. It crushes your soul. Crushes your spirit. It really does. It crushes your soul.
But I hate you, I really hate you so much, I think it must be true. I hate you, I really hate you so much, I think it must be true. But I hate you, I really hate you so much, I think it must be true.
So I wanted to be super cute this year and do some Christmas cards with my boyfriend and my dog, and this is how they came. So I'm gonna upload, I think, 2 videos and exactly how I did it, the process of doing it all, and something you can do yourself at home. For all these 40 cards, I spent a total of, you'll see on the screen, so it was really cost effective. If we got less cards, it would have been less of a price. If we got cheaper pajamas, well, I mean, I got them from Primark, so it was pretty cheap. Yeah, I hope these next couple of videos really help some people out. Sorry, I look at messages, so excited they came in the post. So tag me or duet me with my next videos if you try it out for yourself, or a better way you have, or a better tip and trick. Yeah. Once you have it on, you want to see how far you want to roll up the sleeve and the legs, and then I'm going to put a little stitch in that, and then you want to cut out a little hole for their tail. This is the whole little moment, just some like kind of presents looking things, some decorations on the tree. Then we're going to sit on this blanket and take our photos. I've done some makeup. I'm just going to curl my hair. This is my pajamas, and the dog Moose is wearing the same ones. So yeah, I'll do a mini time lapse of the photo shoot. I have the 2 soft boxes, because there's actually enough light, because there's so much light in this room anyway. The tripod with the camera, and then here's all our decorations and everything. And we're just gonna sit here nice and cozy, like I said. Yeah.
outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping.
I'm obsessive when just when thought of you comes up. And I'm aggressive just when thought I'm close enough.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Cause you ain't never had a woman like me, yeah. And you will never have another like me, yeah. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. Come and let me know if you want some more. Tap, tap, tap.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. It's the place. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. Everybody's watching her, but she's looking at.
I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you love me, Papa. I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you.
Oh my gosh. Look at her butt. Look at.
This dude named Michael used to ride motorcycles. Dick bigger than a tower. I ain't talking about Eiffel. Real country.
A body has been discovered.
I just saw a TikTok that was like, oh yeah, wherever you have moles is where a past life lover kissed you a lot. And okay, I have one on my hand. There too. That makes sense, but who was...
Fashion popping up in movies, ain't no Nazi bitches Ashton. He, I'm bad as Michael Jackson. Hey, it's a holiday. I got hoes on hoes and they out of control, yeah.
Let's move out. Fire in the hole.
I'm a savage, classy, bougie, rich, sassy, hacking, stupid, what was
I got my sights set on you, and I'm ready to aim. The last time I freaked out, I just kept looking down. I just stuttered when you asked me what I'm thinking about.
I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you love me, Papa. I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you.
Yeah, call them bitches scary cats, I call them Carol Baskins. Body yaddy 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 yaddy.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Now I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swinging, jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.
Every time the beat drop.
I can't help who I'm in. Can somebody explain to me why everybody is trying to be living like a celebrity, doing what they see on MTV? Ice is cool, but I'm looking for more. Simple things is what my heart beats for. That's me. I don't ask for much, baby. Haven't you?
Damn, walking past the mirror. Ooh, get my fine. Let her try me. Ooh, hammer time. I was born to flex. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets. I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than.
comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins.